I'm Steven Vapes, and I'm with Trantix e-cig Reviews. Now, before I get into today's items that are up for review, I did receive a few emails from people wondering where I'm at and if I've changed locations and so on and so forth. Right now I'm out in the lounge. I'm forced to be filming out here because there's some issues going on in my office with plumbing and whatnot, so until that's fixed, I'm going to be out here doing these reviews. So I haven't moved, the office is in the same place, same address, so on and so forth, just I'm in the lounge. So with that said, secondly, I know I don't look the greatest. I'm not feeling too well. I've got some personal medical issues going on right now, but I'm a little backed up on reviews, so I'm going to try my hardest to continue to push them out there for you guys and show you the newest things that are out there on the market, which I do have a few lined up. But before I get to those devices, I want to finish off on the Solotech battery reviews. So today's video review is going to be on the Solotech IMR 18500 battery and the Solotech IMR 18350 batteries. As for the 18350s, I am able to show you them and show you the packaging and so on and so forth, but unfortunately I can't test them for you guys. I had one device that used the little 350 batteries and the pin's gone on it. So rather than risk anything, I'm not going to be able to physically film the use of it, but I will talk about the battery and tell you what I've seen when a friend of mine used the battery on his device. So I can't do it live, but I'm going to tell you whatever I can about it anyways. So with that said, once again, like the other videos, I'll do a little recap about the company, about the battery. It's going to be basically the same as the last 2 or 3 that I did. I can't remember right now, but nonetheless, it's a new company called Solotech. They're based in China. Once again, yeah, I know you get nervous, you hear China, clones, 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 the batteries are going to blow, the batteries are dangerous, so on and so forth. No, no way, no how. These batteries are safe. They are not cloned. They are original, and they are hard hitters, just like the rest of them. There's no issues at all with any kind of explosion. From my experience anyways, I've used them, I've drained them, and I did get a question about why I drain the battery completely. I know you're not supposed to do that. Leave them about 20-30% all the time. But I drain one of each battery completely because some people out there that we call newbies may not know not to drain them, and you end up draining them. And I want to make sure that if you did make that mistake, that the battery is not going to blow up on you. So that's the only reason why I say I drain the battery completely. I'm not crazy. I know you're not supposed to do it, but it's for the newbies' benefits. Just in case they're not aware that you shouldn't drain them completely. If they make the mistake, from my experience, they're not going to blow, they're not going to do anything like that, but you probably will do some damage in volt-wise and kill the battery a lot quicker than you should, and you probably won't be getting the full charge out of these batteries anymore like any other battery out there on the market. So that is why I say, and I do, drain the battery completely. Not all of my batteries, only the batteries that I'm testing for you guys. So I just wanted to make that clear out there. So back to this physical battery. It's the Solotech 1100 milliamp IMR 18500 3.7 volt high drain rechargeable battery, and it's at 20 amps. Amazing battery. Hard hitter, just like the rest of them. I guess I'm going to show you them up close and then we'll test it out. I don't want to make the video too long because I'm not feeling the greatest, like I said, but I promised Mr. Solomon that I'm going to get these out there. I had an issue with YouTube, but I'm not going to get into that, but it's fixed and I can upload the videos again and so on and so forth. So anyways, once again, Mr. Solomon, thank you for sending these. Great, amazing batteries. You guys want to know the price? Unfortunately, I can't give you the price of the batteries. It's like most companies I review for, they cater to shops, not so much the individual person, but I'm sure you can nonetheless. Price point, I know the price, and they're a lot cheaper than Sony's and the orange batteries and things like that. There's no difference between the batteries. I do have, actually no I don't, not next to me. I don't have the other battery, but anyways, it's the same one, but it's the orange battery. Just like before, close your eyes, put one or the other battery in, open your eyes, vape, close your eyes, put in the other battery. You're not going to know the difference. Oh, see, I'm really not feeling well. You're really not going to notice the difference between the batteries, all right? So they are well built. They're built to last, and yeah, they're just amazing. And from my personal point of view, this is all I'm using. One, because luckily I was sent lots of them, but two, I don't see the point in paying the extra money for the Sonys and so on and so forth. There's no difference, all right, guys? There really isn't. Don't just take my word for it. Go out there, buy these batteries, try these batteries. I'm sure he will sell you guys 3, 4, 5 batteries if you want, but I know he more so likely would want to sell 3, 4, 500 of these batteries. And for you shops out there, if you did buy them, you're going to sell them. Trust me. So give them a shot. But anyways, I'm going to disappear. I'm going to say those magic words. When I reappear, I'm going to be up close to that camera. I'm going to show you these batteries, and yeah, we're going to have a look at them. So with that said, guys, poof. Okay, guys, here we are. This is the battery that they're going to come in on that, or the box that they're going to come in. On that box, you're going to see caution, lithium-ion battery, do not load or transit package if damaged. For more information, please call the number that is provided there. Sorry, I think I lost you guys in the camera. They're going to come inside this box. Inside the boxes, you're going to get 2 batteries. Right now it's empty, but I'm going to show you what they're going to come in. So 2 batteries in the box, per box, and you will get the batteries individually in a wrapper each. That's the wrapper, a little Ziploc baggie, so on and so forth. So the 18500 batteries, here they are. Once again, they're yellow, Solotech, 1100 milliamps, IMR 18500, 3.7 volt, high drain lithium or high drain rechargeable battery, 20 amps. I think you can see that on there, hopefully. Backside, once again, you got the little logos here, you got the barcode. This is the bottom. They are nipple top batteries, by the way. There's the top. And if you give me a second here, I will get the other size battery. These batteries, guys, are going to come in the exact same box, type of box, with an individual wrapper, 2 per box. These are the Solotech 700 milliamp IMR 18350, 3.7 volts, high drain rechargeable batteries at 14 amps. Once again, they're nipple top right there, and that's the 18350 batteries. Poof. Alright guys, and just like that, I'm back again. And once again, this was mainly the review on the 18500 battery by Solotech. Just a reminder, I do have the 18350s, but I don't have the device to actually test them in, so unfortunately I can't show you the performance. But I do have a friend of mine, he did use the battery. He didn't drain them like I normally do, but he had no issues nonetheless, just like the rest of them. So I'm certain that battery is built exactly the same as the other 3, 4 that I've done, so I wouldn't be worried about that battery. Alright guys, so with that said, and without making this review too long until I pass out or something, I've got my trusty ZNA 30 mod here with my tugboat on top. Thank you, Mr. Ohm Solo, for giving me that. It's my favorite tank. But anyways, with that said, just to show you guys that I do have that battery in here, that I didn't swap out for the orange one or anything like that. There it is, the yellow 18500 battery. Always, people, make sure you put the battery in there proper. Don't be ashamed to double check just to make sure it's in there. You don't want any damage or explosions or anything like that. Even though these ones anyways are protected devices, I still always double check. But nonetheless, it's in there, and she's charged. The 0.7 ohm atomizer on there, no flavor e-juice, pure 100% VG. Alright, so we're at 30 watts. Now I'm going to show you guys some production on this. As you can tell, hard hitting. Every hit, like always, just as good as the last hit. So try these batteries, buy these batteries. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. They're a lot cheaper than the ones you guys are used to, but like anything in life, don't be afraid of change. At least give them a shot. If you don't like them, fine, don't like them. But try them. They are made in China, they are not clones, they are well built, and they're made to last. One more vape for the road. Very good. That's it, guys. I'm Steven Vapes. I'm with Trantix e-cig Reviews. And please be sure to follow me on YouTube and on Facebook. The links will be provided at the bottom of this review. So, vape on, guys, and vape in public.